Hey guys, this is a wireless charger. This is one of its kind. I just saw it today and got it to review this part. And you can see it here this is 360 degree and it goes in the vent directly, no adjustment thing for there. And this is anti-gravity, like when you put your cell inside it, it will fit all its own. So let's open this pack, and it comes with a manual. So here is the manual. I don't see if you can see it clearly, but I will explain it. I will explain this one, so that's not an issue. So here is the cable that is look like a USB-C cable. So that's nice because it's a little advanced one. This is the USB side, and then this is the main charger. This is the holder for that. In the back you can see all the configuration for this one, and here is the holder. So what you have to do is you have to just open that slot in the main charger, that the back one. Just open this hook and then push it, that round part inside it. I'm just trying to show. Right now just push it, just set click and then just close it off. Once you close it, it is now it's pretty much fixed, and you can see it can move here and there all 360. So that ball part is a good part, and then the back part in the vent will go there. This is a USB-C charger, so the USB goes in the back and this will go in the USB. It can go in USB port in your car. The best part what I found is that this you can charge your QI enabled phones directly with it. So just I will try to show it here. This is not a QI enabled phone for now because I have not attached it through the USB, but I will show it later on. Here you can just showing that once you put in the phone, the hook will hold it and the phone will not fall. Now this is the charging part. So I have connected this through the USB. Now this is my port. I'm attaching my Samsung Galaxy phone on it, and this is a QI enabled phone, and you can see it start charging. So you can see it start charging on that indicator thing, and then even my indicator light on the phone is showing green every time. Sorry, I'm a little bit fast on it. It shows my messages and my name, but